Let's create a customer in SAP Business ByDesign. To do so, we'll head over to the Account Management Work Center and click on New Corporate Account. We'll give our customer a name. We will specify the country they belong to. Further down, we have our sales organization, which determines our profit center posting. We have our distribution channel, which is always direct sales. Payment terms, we'll do 30 days net. Specify the currency. And on the right here, we'll determine which company from our organization does business with this customer, along with the account determination group, which drives the accounts receivable posting when an invoice is posted for this customer. And now, click Save, and you got yourself a customer record.